Amazing to think what's going on just up the road tonight to our friends in Corpus Christi, northward, Port Aransas, Rockport, Fulton, that entire area really under the gun. You're looking at the new high resolution satellite. They call it the GOES 16, and with this we go in close and look at that eye. And you see just spinning and spinning and spinning. This is just a 3-hour loop, and it's getting more and more right on the coastline, making landfall any time now. This is what it looks like on the radar. And again, this band right here, that's where the most serious weather is. That's where the winds are likely to be up to Category 4 strength of 130 miles per hour or more. And that band has not even made it to the coast yet. So these folks haven't even seen the worst of it probably yet. Corpus Christi down here where you saw Matt and Leslie a little while ago, they're getting one of the major bands, but the core still right out here as that system continues to move to the north. Now, if you notice in the last hour or so, this is a 3-hour loop. Let's go back 3 hours, and right there's the eye 3 hours ago, and there's the eye now. It is really slowed down. It is moving very little now. Officially northwest at 8. But if it comes to a stop out here, we really got problems along the coast. That just makes the situation even worse. Now that eye right now about 22 miles across, and the leading edge of that eye officially about 17 miles from crossing land. Now if it keeps moving at 8 miles an hour, it'll be there in 2 hours-ish. If it's slowing down, then we got a whole different ballgame. Then you've got these hurricane force bands going around and around and around and affecting the folks right on the coast. And it's going to be raining at the same time. They've got a storm surge, a massive storm surge, 6 to 10 feet of water going up and over the barrier islands and into the communities up in here. Again, then we get the rain on top of that. 130 mile per hour winds now. That was the update at the top of the hour at 6 o'clock. Category 4, 27.7, 96.7. By midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, it's down to a Category 3. Winds are still 115. It's on land by that point if this forecast holds. Still a hurricane, 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, getting near Victoria. Victoria will have hurricane force winds. Then it kind of hangs out. Here's San Antonio up here. So they'll be feeling a lot of that. 70 mile per hour winds Sunday. Sunday afternoon, 60 mile per hour winds. Look, now the circle is just getting bigger. Instead of a nice path someplace, it just sits there and meanders, kind of works its way back down. Monday afternoon, we still have a tropical storm. Sideswipes the Gulf again, which allows it to maintain its tropical storm strength, and then eventually tries to move up toward Houston, still with 40 mile per hour winds, still a tropical storm next Wednesday. That means rain, 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 and wind too. Here's our recon flight that's out there, and look what he found just a little while ago. This is about 3:30, 3:45. The recon found winds of 146 miles per hour. Been flying around since. That was a one-time deal. He's looking for more and hasn't found anything since that. Here's your wind field, and this is the 110 mile per hour plus winds. This is hurricane force. This is tropical storm force, just sideswiping Willacy County. This is 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Major hurricane force winds in Victoria. By tomorrow night at 11 o'clock, you still have hurricane force winds. There's Victoria, San Antonio's there, and then it comes back to the south, makes its way right back where it came from again. And you still have tropical storm force winds on Monday. Rainfall, you want to look at it? Let's take a look, and this is what comes after all that wind. This is through just tomorrow evening. You're looking at almost 10 inches of rain in Victoria. We're getting a little bit down here, but not very much. But look at these colors. These are colors that are off the charts. We took the chart off. 10:30 Sunday night, 20 inches almost in College Station, 20 inches in Houston, Austin almost 10. You know, the dividing line right in here suggests San Antonio only gets an inch, but I'll be surprised if that dividing line is right there. It's going to be someplace, but there's going to be just amazing amounts of rainfall through Monday afternoon. Look at Houston, 27 inches of rain. Back in the valley tonight, a little bit on radar. All the stuff is north of us, though. We've seen some showers streaming through, but not much, and I think that'll be the case. This is Future Track. Keeps most of the moisture to our north and gives us a brief, quick shower. I think we'll see that tomorrow. Some places will pick up a shower, but most will stay away. You go into Sunday, same thing. There's showers around, but not widespread. We go 40, 30, 20. If you do get caught in a shower, it could be gusty. All this is considering this thing stays north of us and stays up in the coastal bend, which we think it will, but you saw that circle getting bigger and bigger as it falls apart. Some of that rain may sweep our way. 90, 93, 93. So tonight, clouds with a few passing showers. Temperatures bottom out in the mid-70s. Then tomorrow, we're back up to 90, mostly cloudy skies. Still a breezy day. Westerly winds at 10 to 18, a 40% chance of showers tomorrow. But again, nothing major. It looks like all the big stuff staying to the north, we are seriously dodging a bullet. 90, 93, 93. After that, we start to warm back up. Our chance of rain starts to fade, but as long as that thing is swirling around south central Texas, that chance of rain is going to stay in the forecast. And if it moves at all to the south, that chance of rain will go up, because we could see a lot more if those models change. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.